Hello YouTube, this is all about the game 11. It's a tutorial on how to get free ringtones. Okay, so let's get started. So there's two sites I know of right now, and one of them is concert.com. So click that up. Concert.com is a website. It isn't updated. It doesn't have songs like Not Afraid, any of those good songs, so sorry about that. Okay, so anyway, how you do this is type in the name of the artist you want. I'm gonna use an example. You look up the artist, you click the album you want. I'm gonna do this as an example, and let's say I wanted I don't know. I'm just going to click on 3 AM by Eminem. You click it to see if it's the one you want. Okay, so let's say this is the one I want. Now, you're in it, unless you have, like, something, if you don't prefer web browsing, like, you're going to want to do this. This is just a simple text message. You're going to type your number right here. I'm not going to type mine, but you type your number right there, and it sends a message to your phone. It sends the ringtone. Okay, so we're going to go back to Google, and we're going to look up phonezoo.com. Now, Phonezoo is an interesting website. You can do whatever. You could get your own ringtones. Like, they could be songs, they could not, but the thing is, you could upload them. Like, it's RAM. You could upload them. See, you could test to see if this is the one you want right here. Like, for example, let's just say that's the one I want. Okay, so you click on it. Now you have to sign up, see? You have to sign up and register your phone and stuff, so, okay, so then you click send to phone. I'm not going to do it, but you click send to phone, and as you can see, it sends a text message to your phone with the song, whatever it is attached to it. So this is all about the game 11 with your tutorial on how to get ringtones. Hope this helped you in some way.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my